detailing. I think it's gone for good, and it wasn't until I had a look inside this Thomas here, I thought this is like a standard core, but then when I started to look a bit more carefully, there's little things going on here, like little tabs underneath here which interact with the track that will actually give it the turbo power. It's a little bit of playing to work out how this works, and if we just do that, then I hope you saw that you get a burst of speed when Thomas interacts with certain parts of the track. It doesn't stay on that turbo speed. I'm yet to work out a trick to make it stay on, because I want the thing to be tearing around as fast as possible. I did, of course, make a comparison with a normal core, and I thought, well, they look very similar in scale and size, but they're actually a little bit different. And I thought to myself, well, I'll be sneaky, and I'll put this turbo core into another Thomas here, like a standard core, or a standard shell, shall I say. And of course it's a little bit too long, which is sad, because I think we would have been putting our cores into other drills. And then vice versa, if I get the standard core, and if I go to put it into the turbo Thomas shell, you can see there it's a sloppy fit. You can screw to the front, but the back doesn't go. So no mixing and matching there, which is sort of sad. I would have preferred if things mixed and matched. But anyway, that's what's going on there. It will be very interesting to see how this plays out on the playset once I get that playset built up. And it just took me a bit of time to understand what's going on here. When it's set like that with yellow, Thomas stays normal speed. And it's nothing to really drain this into that there, and it raises up a piece of plastic, then Thomas gets triggered underneath. And he does a power burst, and the speed has only a burst of speed. Okay, it's not long lived. Okay, and what I found very curious was I tried to emulate what the raised bit of plastic is doing underneath there. And do you think I could trigger a double speed by manipulating underneath there? So whatever's happening here, it's real Thomas magic, I can tell you.